Science Comics, Coral Reefs, Cities of the Ocean. Chapter 5, Part 2. Let's talk about some other challenges that we face. Ick. Pollution. Pollution can be anything not found naturally in a habitat. Oil, chemicals, garbage, bottles, cans, you name it. Not only does it not belong, it can mean serious health risks for me and you. Animals that eat or breathe in pollution can get sick or even die. Garbage is not part of their natural habitat, so they don't always know what's safe to eat. Remember that water cycle? Trash from really far away can make it into the ocean. Thanks. That was close. You can help solve the problem of pollution by reducing the amount of waste that we generate, reusing as many things as possible, and recycling anything else. Beyond that, you can encourage others to do the same, or even pick up trash when you see it. All things you can. One last threat to coral reefs and coastal ecosystems worldwide is habitat loss. That boat was awfully close. Coral reefs suffer damage from boats, construction, illegal collecting, and overfishing. Sometimes the only way to protect a reef from these threats is by recognizing it as a nature preserve or protected area. If you have reefs near you or even outdoor places that you care about, the best thing to do is to write your local or regional government and express your concern. Even though the challenges that our planet faces might seem scary or sad, feel good that you are already helping to solve these problems. Just by learning coral reefs. Protecting our coral reefs actually helps us in other ways. In health, industry and innovation, even fun. The exploration of our natural surroundings has helped humans live better, build better shelters, even treat and cure diseases. Coral reefs have played a role in all of these areas of achievement. Scientists have long turned to the natural world to help find cures and treatments for human illnesses. And coral reefs have been helping for quite some time. All living things on this planet have similar ways that they survive. By studying the immune systems of other animals, humans can help better understand and strengthen their own. Coral produce chemicals called stegosteroids that protect them against disease. Scientists have researched stegosteroids and found that they can treat asthma and arthritis. Glad I could be of service. Tiny biorhythms were found to contain a substance that can help fight cancer. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, is also used in cancer treatments. Humans are great at doing things, but it certainly doesn't hurt to take a look at how animals and plants create structures and support. When people design things inspired by nature, it's called biomimicry. We've been borrowing ideas from the world around us for a long time. Coral's calcium carbonate is super strong and made from just a few ingredients. Engineers had an idea. Can we make a super strong cement the same way? By combining seawater and excess CO2 from the factory, calcium carbonate is formed and processed to be made into cement. Plants went for recycling waste, CO2 from factory. Way to go, humans! Innovation is an awesome human trait, looking for new, more efficient ways to produce, build, and manufacture means a better planet for people and every outdoor living thing that calls Earth home. Coral reefs are home to over 25% of all the animals found in the ocean, and many of these reefs' inhabitants have been by human inventions. These species of trunkfish help humans to design a more aerodynamic, fuel-efficient car. Shark skin is covered in tiny scale-like plates called dermodenticles. They provide the shark with protection and also make it more hydrodynamic in the water. Bathing suits worn by Olympic swimmers use a similar design. The same shark technology may someday cover the bottom of boats to make them faster and more efficient. An underwater robot inspired by the shape and movement of a cuttlefish could help humans to explore parts of the ocean that are difficult to access. These are all examples of biomimicry. Coral reefs and the beaches nearby are popular vacation spots. Swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving are all ways to get up close and personal with coral reefs. No matter how far you live from a reef, they have helped you in some way. Thanks, coral reefs. You're the best. Caring for ourselves and our environment is the first step to caring for the rest of the world. So, thanks for taking the time to hang out with me, and thanks for reading this book. Well, that's it. Okay, not completely, but that's all I could fit into a book this long. I hope you enjoyed my home for the past 108 pages, and I hope you learned something new. Bye! The author would like to tell you that there's more stuff back here. A glossary, some extra info, a bibliography, and even some additional resources. Enjoy!